Hey there everyone, it's your good friend Eric Thompson. I'm making this video just for my real estate friends to tell them all about a brand new workshop that I am getting ready to launch. It's just for you. Hey, this is called the 3-week Triple Your Confidence Bootcamp. It's made specifically for all of my full-time real estate professionals. I think if I were to ask you, scale of 1 to 10, how important is confidence, you would rate it super high, right? Like you would rate it at 10 or 11 or 12. That's why I'm making this boot camp. The reason why I'm doing it now is because I want you to launch into the new year with all kinds of confidence. I want you to set your 2022 goals with a ton of confidence. So before we even set your goals, before we start the new year, let's get your confidence dialed up, right? So this is all about the Triple Your Confidence Bootcamp. Just a few minutes here to walk you through what it is and what you're gonna get. So here's the thing. So here's you now. This is you here today. And here's what you want, okay? So what you want, of course, you'd like to earn more money, all right? And that's fair because you can do a lot of terrific things. When you earn more money, it creates a better lifestyle for you and for your family. You can give more to charity. You can make bigger contributions to your community. It's quite okay to want more money. You also want, my friends, you want more freedom. And when you think about these two things, to have more money and more freedom, of course they are linked. And of course, more money means that you're working with more sellers. It means you're working with more buyers. And what freedom means is you have control over your schedule. So the way there, the path there, the golden key, the ticket to more money and more freedom is, of course, it's confidence. All right, so confidence is the key. Confidence is the thing that will get you there, because when you have high confidence, you engage with your clients, you engage with your sphere confidently. You're sending them really valuable information. You're adding even more value to them. You're engaging with them in a really confident way, which makes you more attractive to them, which makes you more likely to work with them, which makes you more likely to attract sellers and buyers. I think a really specific example would be that you're confidently sending information, valuable information, to all the property owners that you know, which then makes it likely for them to want to work with you if they do want to sell, and more importantly, makes them confidently refer you to their friends and family when you are confidently engaging with them. When you have confidence, you confidently set healthy boundaries around your schedule, which then causes you to have more freedom. You confidently say no, all right? You confidently build those healthy boundaries in your schedule, which then causes you to have more freedom in your life. So if you want to have more money and more freedom, what you need to do, what you're gonna have, the ticket there, the path there, is to have more confidence. But here's the thing, here's the problem. This thing gets in the way, all right? This thing gets in the way called limiting beliefs, all right? So limiting beliefs are in the way of you having confidence, right? So if we want to increase the confidence, we need to get rid of these limiting beliefs. So this is what's gonna happen in this boot camp, right? So this 3-week boot camp, it only takes 3 weeks to work on this. We're gonna dissolve these limiting beliefs. We're gonna dismantle them. We're gonna amp up the confidence so that you confidently engage with your sellers, with your buyers, so that you confidently build more freedom into your life, right? So here's how we're gonna do it, my friends. We do this in 3 private sessions. So you get invited onto 3 private webinars just for you, just for people who choose to enroll in this workshop, the 3-week Triple Your Confidence Bootcamp. Week number 1, it's all about dismantling your limiting beliefs. So I'm gonna take you through a really easy, simple, straightforward process on how you do that, all right? So we're gonna uncover what those are. We're gonna quickly take those apart. They're just gonna wash away. They will be gone. That's how week 1 is gonna go. It's gonna be amazing, it'll be awesome. Week 2 is where I give you the 3-step confidence formula, right? So now that these limiting beliefs are washed away, I'm going to show you the new beliefs that we are going to instill and install that will instantly amp up your confidence, that will instantly make you feel more focused, more energized, more motivated, and help you to just engage in your life and in your business in a super confident way. And then the third week, what we do is we make sure that that's going to stay there forever. So we install permanent confidence, all right? So we dissolve the limiting beliefs week 1. I give you the confidence formula in 3 steps week 2. And then in week number 3, I show you how to keep your confidence there. What we're working on the whole time, my friends, the whole time we're working on this really straightforward document called Your Confidence Blueprint. So it's one piece of paper. That's the thing that we work on through these 3 steps in these 3 weeks. It's your personal worksheet, and I show you how to fill it out. I show you the work to do that we do together, and what you have at the end, you have, my friends, this blueprint. You have the blueprint at the end of this process. So this isn't a kind of thing where you, oh yeah, I took that class once, I took that workshop once, and you forget all about it, because you have this completed. You have this to print out and put on your mirror, put on your bulletin board, put on your refrigerator if you want, to remind you of what it is for you that triggers your confidence. So how this works is this becomes a customized confidence blueprint for you that you have forever, always, to keep you at your best, always, forever. Guys, what I'll tell you, this is by far the best workshop I've ever put together on confidence. This is the best content I've ever developed and assembled related to confidence. I'm gonna give it to you in this really easy way in these 3 steps. All right, so the investment, it's $247. I think if you look at what you're gonna get out of this, the potential for increased income, more sellers, more buyers, the increased freedom, the boundaries in your schedule, just living your days confidently, this investment is pretty tiny relative to that. It's $247. You can pay it all up front, or you can pay it over 3 installments. You can pay it 3 times $87, all up front $247. Either way, insignificant investment compared to what you're going to get. Super simple. So I'm also going to give you, when you sign up, I'm going to give you these 3 things. You will get 90 days of coaching if you want. You can engage in a weekly group coaching call for 90 days after this to keep you on track, where I take you through all of the coaching scenarios and all the confidence scenarios that I come across so that you can learn from those scenarios, all right? So you're gonna come out of this workshop charged up, very confident, and then I'm gonna keep you on that path for 90 days so that you just go on forever with this great confidence, all right? So you get that as a bonus. The second thing you get as a bonus, I'm gonna give you the checklist and the system on how to build out your collateral. What it means specifically is your buyer and seller packets. What I know is that you become much more confident when you have those 2 things done, your buyer packet, your seller packet. I'm gonna give you the system on how to do that. It's a really simple, straightforward checklist. I'm gonna give you examples also. You're gonna get that. Then the third thing you're gonna get included, you're gonna get business planning. So you don't have to pay somewhere else or someone else for business planning. I'm gonna give you a business planning workshop in December included in this, but we gotta get you confident first, all right? So if you wanna have a great plan going into 2022, well, I'm gonna give you the plan right here. And if you wanna have great confidence even before you make the plan, then you need to get signed up for this workshop, all right? So the way you get signed up, you guys, you go right here, tripleconfident.com, tripleconfident with a T on the end.com, T like Thompson on the end, tripleconfident.com is where you sign up. Guys, we start November 8th. These are the dates of the 3 sessions. It's 10 o'clock Mountain Time. If you can't join live, never fear, you can watch the recording. I get the recording automatically to everyone enrolled in the workshop, so that's not a problem. Even if you can't be on there live, you get the recording, you still get the same results. So November 8th is when we start, so you gotta get signed up by November 8th. You get signed up right here. So go there to enroll. You have the choice, pay it all up front, pay it in 3 installments. The last thing I'll tell you, I give you a 100% no questions asked guarantee. If you do the work, all right, if you show up either live or in the recordings and you do the work I show you to do, if you work on the blueprint, and if you don't believe that your confidence has tripled in 3 weeks, you just send me an email, say, hey, this wasn't what I thought, I give you your money right back. Like, no questions asked, super simple. So this is can't lose, right? This is can't lose. I've taken away all the risk. Your only risk is to not do this. Like, that's your only risk, is to not enroll. That's your risk, that you don't enroll, you don't learn this and get this and engage and amp up your confidence. I mean, there is no downside to this because I've removed all the risk. I'll give you your money back if this workshop doesn't triple your confidence, all right? So go to this website, tripleconfident.com, to get signed up. Right away when you get signed up, you'll get everything you need to get you ready. You'll get the Zoom link and you'll be ready to rock and roll. We start November 8th, so you got to get signed up before then. I'll see you in the workshops. Thank you so much for engaging with this video. We'll see you soon.